Hey guys, we're back again. Now at 11:49, battling for Mike's Nikto mask. There it is, I think. 50 spots. Then I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winner. Copy him, meow. Paste, meow. 50 of them. There the B. Gotta roll the dice, gotta get at least a 5. We did, we got a 6. We're rolling. Good luck. Here we go. Matt, round 1 and 2. Beetlejuice 3. Scott 4. Mike 5. And our winner is Scott Singer. And at number 8, congrats, Scott. Here's the verification. FMQASK. Scott Singer. Number 8 is the victor of Mike's Mask Battle. I'm done at 11:50 p.m. There she is. Again, here's the official results. Congrats, Scott. See you next time, guys. Thanks.